Guys, it's Neesyraychelle and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be getting unready with me. So I'm taking off the makeup and definitely taking the wig off because it's time. So first I will be removing my makeup with the EQUATE Beauty Makeup Remover Wipes. These are very similar to the Neutrogena Sensitive Skin Removing Wipes. So I got these out of Walmart. I believe Ulta has them and other local drugstores may carry them as well. But you're going to see that I do use two of these wipes because one wipe just doesn't cut it. So I removed my lashes and here we are going in with the second wipe. Listen, that eyeliner would not budge. So kudos to NYX because the eyeliner is definitely waterproof and is getting the job done. So now I'm going to remove the wig. I did glue this wig down, so I'm going to take my alcohol and a towel and begin removing the wig. I did use my glue from Trina the Dreamweaver and her glue is absolutely bomb. Like, it holds. I'm like the Gorilla Glue girl. Like, my hair, it don't move. You literally can go swimming and everything while using her glue. So now you just see me removing my wig. And it's coming up, y'all. The alcohol works. It's very similar to removing a sticker from the bottom of a cup. But I personally just prefer not to glue my wigs down because I do like to take them off very quickly. As you can see, I'm relieved because it did not hurt and I was able to get the wig off. Now I'm just getting the excess glue off from around my hairline and out of my hair because for whatever reason, I got glue in my hair, y'all. Now that I have all the glue off, I'm going to go in with my cocktail bar soap from ETHELYN'S and clean my skin. This bar soap is a brightening bar, so it will help with all the dark spots that I have. As y'all know, my forehead has been breaking out really bad, and that has a lot to do with stress, but you know, we're gonna get it together. So all of the products that I'm using in this video are from ETHELYN'S besides the ones that I specifically list out for you all. So y'all, I forgot to take my shirt off before I did that. So I went ahead and did that. And now I'm grabbing my clean skin towels to go ahead and wipe off the soap. These towels are definitely clutch because I don't like using a towel in my face, so. And they're disposable, so after you're done, you just toss it. As you can see, I'm still having issues with this eyeliner. It's not going anywhere. So now I'm going to take my sulfur mask and put that all over my face. Y'all, it was not trying to open for me, but I do try to mask at least 2 to 3 times a week because that's how much you're supposed to do it. And I'm just using a fan brush to apply this to my skin. And to remove it, I will get in the shower because it's just easier to get the sulfur mask off in the shower compared to other masks. So now I'm out of the shower. My mask has been rinsed off. I'm going to go ahead and spray my DERMALOX Gold Spray, which is an oxygen toner, to my skin and let that dry up before I apply the next product. The next product that I will be applying is my Vitamin A Extra. I will show you all how much of this product I actually use. You don't need a lot of it, and it will spread all over your face. So this just helps my skin turn over, because like I said, I have a lot of dark spots and breakouts going on right now, so I do want to try to get that handled quickly. After I finish applying this, I will be moving on to my brightening gel, and I will show you all that product as well. But what that's going to do is get rid of all dark spots that I may have on my face, and as you all can see, there are a lot of them. So that's coming up next. Of course, I'm going to let this vitamin A dry up on my skin before I apply the next product, because you don't want to just apply product on top of product without letting the one before it soak in. So there's my brightening gel. And I'm also going to show you all how much of that I use. I literally only use a drop as well. Very similar to the same amount that I would use for the vitamin A. And again, that's all you need. That product will definitely spread over your entire face. Now I'm going to go in with my antibacterial gel. This is going to help with any bumps that I may have on my face right now. So I'm going to apply that to every bump that has appeared on my face in the last, I don't know, week or so. And this is just going to help them go down faster. You do need to be very careful with this product. It will bleach clothing and linen and whatnot. So when I use this product, I definitely sleep on a white pillowcase just so I don't bleach my current pillowcases that I use. And I also cleanse my hands afterwards so that I don't bleach any clothing I may have on. Now I'm going to brush my teeth with my Oral-B IO9 series toothbrush and my CleanPro, I believe is what it's called. It is a fluoride toothpaste that was prescribed by my doctors, well, my dentist. You do have to get that from your dentist. You can't just go to the store and buy it. They do have fluoride toothpaste in store, but this one, it has more fluoride in it than the one you would buy out of stores. So I use this every night. It's for daily use, nightly. And when you use it, you don't rinse your mouth out. So you just kind of, you know, spit and go about your night. I do have a link to this toothbrush. I did a review on it, so I'll go ahead and add that in here as well. So now I'm going to take my Lip Sleeping Mask by Laneige and apply that to my lips. I do like using this at night because when I wake up in the mornings, my lips are not crusty. So just taking a little bit of that and applying it all over my lips. Now I'm in my room. I'm completely finished with my skincare. As you can see, the antibacterial gel has dried up, and this is what it looks like when it dries. I'm going to go ahead and take my vitamins for tonight. I do take zinc before I go to bed. It is a probiotic. And lately I've been taking the NZURI Meltdown Detox. I've only been on it for like a few days, but baby, it works. Okay, so if you're interested in that stuff, I'll link that down below. They have their testimonials and whatnot on the site, so you can see how the product actually works. So of course I'm taking these with a bottle of water. I try to finish the whole bottle because you're supposed to at least drink a full glass of water when you take your vitamins. And I usually drink this whole bottle. So now I am completely done with my routine. My skin is clean, my vitamins have been taken, and thank you all so much for watching. I'll definitely see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.